Hello everybody, here's a quick tutorial on how you can change your name on Facebook app. Let me show you step by step. The first thing you need to do is open your Play Store or App Store and search Facebook. When you tap go, it will show this screen. If in this place it was written update, just tap in update. Wait for a few seconds and tap in open again. After that, it will show this main screen of your Facebook. You must tap at the top right corner in the three line points. You scroll down until you find the settings and privacy. After that, you go to settings, the first option, tap in settings and pay attention right here. So in Meta Account Center, you need to tap in see more in Account Center. Tap in right here and after that you must tap in profiles. Select your profile and tap in the name. So pay attention before you change your name because if you change your name, you cannot change it again for 60 days. So write very carefully and then all will be done. Thank you for watching.